Hello and welcome to a short tutorial on taking a look at techniques and how to convey a narrative by using layers set to multiply with silhouette shapes. So what I have here in this file, and I do want to point out that I have no default workspace opened. I have shut down everything, and only from Windows have I opened up layers to keep this demo pretty simple. Now, I do have a beautiful illustration done by an illustrator, and it's Jenna Arts, and it's an excellent example of using light to capture a scene, and the individual is sitting on a park bench with a background, and the tree that is in the foreground we can't see, but we can see that it's a very bright sunny day, but the shadows that this tree is creating have cast a shadow on this wall, and it's also hitting parts of the face. So in this assignment, you're going to explore how to do that. Now, as a demo, your file will only contain this layer called scene, which is just the bench scene, and the example. And you're going to be creating on an additional layer an object sitting on the bench. So just to make this demo not completely long, I'm just going to open up this demo folder, which you will not have in your file. So let's just say this scenario is a mouse on a bench. And there's a couple different things I want to have you take a look at. This is obviously simple, it's not been colored, but let's take a look at what happens if we take a silhouette of a cat. And I do want to point out that this layer is set to multiply. So let's just bring it back to full strength. And of course, this doesn't really make as much sense. If we take this down, what we now see is the idea of a cat. The sun is coming from behind the cat, so it's casting this shadow on the wall, and we have kind of an ominous vibe here. I mean, we've got this cat looking at this mouse on a bench. Of course, this is a mouse-sized bench, but just to get you thinking, this is a very simple silhouette shape, but when you apply it to a layer with multiply at a reduced opacity, it has a lot of graphic power to convey a narrative. So I want to point out that as an example, and then I'm going to shut that down and also point out that we can take a very simple silhouette of trees. And again, this is a layer set to multiply, and the opacity has been reduced. Now you could additionally, of course, add, and coloring is going to convey the time of day and whatnot. But the exercise here is that I'm going to shut this down. You're going to draw something on a new layer. So you're just going to create a new layer here. You're going to draw an object on the bench, and then you're going to, in an additional layer, create some silhouettes. It could be a cat, it could be trees, and then you're going to just, this is art that is really basically just a black shape, but by creating that shape in a layer and then reducing its opacity and setting it to multiply, you can create some very compelling scenes. So again, you're not going to have the scene. You are going to start out and add a layer, and you're going to create something simple on this bench, and then you're going to add an additional layer on top of it and create a light source that conveys light coming at this area, but there is an object blocking it and creating a shadow. So we look forward, as always, to seeing your amazing work.